Hi everyone. So I just wanted to pop on here and thank you all for being part of the Sewing for Beginners series that has been going on for the last month. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I understand that not all of you are beginners, so I really hope that even if you weren't a beginner, that you did learn something from some of the videos that I put on for you. Please don't think that I'm stopping there because I will be back with lots of videos. I just will probably be toning my schedule down a little bit because it has been pretty hectic keeping up to one video a day. I think I missed one day maybe. There are a few videos that were going to be part of the Sewing for Beginners series, and then I decided that actually I'd probably be better off putting them out on their own. So the first one of those is going to be the blind hem. That's going to be coming this week. I also have a fake cover stitch, which is the sort of hem that you can find on a jersey garment, is actually what I've got on my top here. That should be really useful. Then I also have a week-long video for the buttons. This was something I was planning on doing as part of the Sewing for Beginners series, and I did a couple of tutorials and then realised that, again, the list is endless. I really could make videos every day for the rest of my life for you all, I think. So I will have a week of buttons that hopefully will be launching next week, and that's going to be an introduction. So I'm going to be discussing with you how to stabilize the buttonholes, how to work out what size, how to open them, all those sort of things. And then I have got how to do a manual buttonhole, which is great if your sewing machine doesn't have the buttonhole stitch. But it's also useful if your sewing machine does have an automatic buttonhole like this one does, but it's only going to go to a maximum size. So sometimes you still need to do a manual buttonhole. Then I've got a 4-step buttonhole, an automatic buttonhole, a corded buttonhole, a keyhole buttonhole, and how to sew a button on. So quite a lot of button things. I think you might hate me by the end of the week, but I hope that it will be useful and that you can perhaps save them and come back to them if you want to. The other thing while I'm here, quite a few of you have mentioned that you do not know when I'm posting a new video, and that's because I believe YouTube changed this a year or so ago. You have to now, as well as tick subscribe, you have to also tick to be notified. So I believe it's next to my sort of subscribe button. There's a little bell. If you tick the little bell, then you will be notified when I post a video. And the same when I do my live sessions. If you don't tick that little bell, it won't tell you that I'm doing a live session. So just something, a side note that you might be interested in. Then in terms of other videos, over the coming weeks, I have a few other videos around the sewing machine that I've promised you all. The first one is going to be based on sewing machines I recommend under £350. Although I've done it in pounds, it should work. The sewing machines that we've chosen are available in the US market and across the world. So hopefully they will work for you all. The plan with this series is that there are going to be other parts of the series. So basically, originally, I filmed this back in April originally. It was under £350, then 350 to 1,000, and then 1,000 plus. I filmed them. I wasn't happy with them. So I refilmed the under 350 one. And then the kind chap whose sewing machine shop I basically filmed this in and borrowed all these sewing machines for, and he's got some great advice, said that they've basically brought out new machines for, I think, Benina, Husqvarna and Pfaff, for the other price points. So we're holding off with the other price points until we're going to be giving you obviously an up-to-date video, because I don't want it to be out of date the minute it launches. So the under £350 one hopefully will be helpful. Then I am going to do my sewing machine journey. So that's a little bit of a chat about me, when I decided to change my sewing machine, why I decided to change my sewing machine, and hopefully that will be sort of useful. And it means that, you know, you don't necessarily need to go out and buy all singing or dancing machine like I've got over here. Not this one, the one over there. I just want to sort of explain why I've got that and yeah, my journey towards getting that. Then I have also got reviews. People have asked for a review on this 350, so I will do a review on that for you all, sort of give my positives and negatives, things that I like. And I also have quite a short video explaining the things that I personally would look for when it comes to a sewing machine. When you're buying a sewing machine, what do I personally look for? And then also mannequins, because that's another video that I have promised you all. So that's going to be up as well over the coming month or so, showing you again the mannequins that I personally recommend. Finally, I think I've got a how to measure video, which probably might not be up for another 6 weeks. It has all been filmed, but there are a couple of points of it that I wasn't happy with, so I need to refilm it. And my sister is starring in it, so I need to get her back to refilm those bits. But it's going to be much more detailed than my current how to measure. I literally show pretty much everything that you need in order to make alterations for tops, dresses, trousers. So basically I have tons of videos coming your way. I know that I've also got pattern cutting ones that I've promised, so I will try and get to them. There's a lot going on at the moment, and I will follow this up with a video explaining why perhaps I haven't got all these videos done, and my patterns and things like that. But please do bear with me. I'm trying my best. I just have so many people that want so many different things. So I really appreciate all your support as always, and I do hope that you found the Sewing for Beginners series useful. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon.